Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. Today I'll be doing 5 hairstyles that are super easy and that you can achieve. I'm gonna do a couple of curly hairstyles and a couple of straight hairstyles, as well as like braided hairstyle. I did a bun on the top so that my hair isn't completely flat, because what happens when I wash my hair is that when I leave it to air dry, the top of my hair gets very flat. So to avoid that, I just put a little bun while I'm doing my makeup, and then when I start to do my hair, it's a little volumized. So I'm gonna stop talking and show you guys the hairstyles now. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is firstly spray my hair. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is using a heat defense. I use a Tresemme heat defense. Okay, that was in my eye. And I'm just going to spray it lightly over everything. If you hear like a crackling sound in the back, that's my steam hair iron. I honestly feel like steam hair irons are really good for my hair, because my hair gets it doesn't get frizzy, it gets like bushy. So this is the only thing that kind of holds it together and makes it sleek throughout the day. What I do is I take a little bit of almond oil or olive oil, like a few drops, and I just mix it, because it has like a little capsule where you fill water in. So I just fill a few drops of oil in there with water. So this is my hair done. Not too sleek, not too flat, but also at the same time pretty straight. Sorry, I have some hair in my hairbrush. The first hairstyle is very simple and I see it everywhere, so I wanted to try it. And it's just, you're gonna take a bobby pin, and I'm putting my path center, but you can do like a side path or whatever. And I'm just gonna take the hair to this side like that. Okay, that's one. And do the same thing on the other side. Okay, that's hairstyle number 1. Very simple. It's very cute. So the second hairstyle is a little similar to the first, but it's a different take on it. So we're still gonna use those two the same two bobby pins, but this time, instead of doing a normal just clip, we're actually going to take a section of the hair as thick as you want it, and you're going to grab the hair from under and just twist and pick up that like row of hair as you're going all the way to the back, and just keep twisting and kind of stop before the end of your hair, or your head. And you can take the bobby pin and just clip it into the braid, kind of like that, so that no one can actually see it. So I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. This is the finished hairstyle. Very simple. For hairstyle number 3, we're going to use a hair tie, and we're just going to take the hair into a low pony, just like that, and then you're going to tie it and then this is the part that's a little tricky. You're going to put it just a little down and then make a path in the middle, and you're gonna flip the pony through. And just heighten it. And then obviously with the front of your hair, so you can just pull out extra strands wherever you feel. So wherever you have like For the next hairstyle, I will be curling my hair. I normally use the Tresemme curling wand, but for this hairstyle I wanted a little bit of thinner curls, well, tighter curls, and this is a smaller barrel, so this is the curling wand that I'm going to use. It's by Babylus, or I think that's how you say it, and it doesn't say what size it is on this, but yeah, it's much thinner than the Tresemme, so I wanted tighter curls for the next hairstyle. But if you guys want to see a video where I show you how I curl my hair, then you can let me know. But other than that, I'm just gonna skip right through it. So this is hairstyle number 4. Very simple. It didn't take me long as I thought it would with the curling wand, because the curling wand is kind of hot, but it took quicker than I expected. So this is basically my go-to hairstyle when I want to feel like extra glam or extra girly. I don't know why my voice is breaking. So hairstyle number 5 is a little bit more elevated for this look. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a curl, like a full curl, right? So you'll see like your hair kind of clumps into one curl. You're gonna take that piece, and you're just gonna twist it and lightly clip it. Right, so you don't want to clip it too tight, otherwise the curl will like pull your hair and make it look really tight, and we want it to look kind of like effortless. And then we're just gonna pull a piece from there, and that's gonna be like a curl like that, and then we're gonna do the same thing to the other side. This is hairstyle number 5. I hope you enjoyed these 5 hairstyles. They're very simple, very easy, and voila, I'm gonna go now. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you next time on my next video.